Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novita Sari. My ID number is 23020330165 and I'm from E1 class English Education. This time, I will tell you about my self-evaluation during speaking class in this semester. Self-evaluation number 1. Reflect on the various speaking activities you have participated in during the class, such as discussions, presentations, role plays, and conversations. In all these activities, I was always involved. Self-evaluation number 2. Think about the aspect of speaking you feel confident in. For me, the aspect of speaking I feel confident in is, for the first, pronunciation. I have worked hard on pronunciation and I believe it is enough clear and understandable. If there are specific sounds or words, I always check the pronunciation on the Oxford Learners Dictionary website first, so that it is not wrong and the intended word can be conveyed properly. And then the second is confidence and engagement. During my time in this speaking class, my confidence in speaking has grown over time. I engage actively in discussions, presentations, role plays, and conversation in the group project and class. And I feel comfortable sharing my opinions and ideas. And now I feel comfortable speaking in front of others. And then the third, fluency. My fluency depends on the situation. For example, if the situation is like a video assignment, where what I'm going to say is already structured, it makes me fluent and natural in speaking. However, if the situation is that someone suddenly asks me a question, I become slow in speaking because I have to think the answer first. And then self-evaluation number 3. Consider the areas where you have challenges. For me, the areas where I have challenges is, for the first, fluency. Like I said before, like the situation is that someone suddenly asks me a question, I become slow in speaking because I have to think the answer first. When I answering or responding to others, I still use filler words like like, etc. And the second, grammar. I sometimes don't pay attention to grammar when speaking and don't know if my grammar is well structured or not. What matters is easy to understand. And the third is engagement. When I'm speaking, I find it hard to keep others interested. And then the fourth, vocabulary. I find myself often repeating the same words and I like the variety of words to express myself. And then self-evaluation number 4. Set realistic and achievable goals. For me, realistic and achievable goals, number 1 is expand advanced vocabulary. My goal is enhance my vocabulary for more precise and varied expressions. And my plan is read more advanced texts, make a habit of noting down new words, and use them in speaking exercises. And then achievable goals number 2. Second, more fluently by expose myself to English every day, and then use the right idioms, and learn phrases rather than single words, and the last, listening to English speaker I admire, like from movie or YouTube program like TED Talks, so I can look up to him or her as a role model. And then the third, number 3, improve complex grammar usage. My goal is incorporate more advanced grammar structure into my speaking, and my plan is practice with target exercises and seek feedback from my friends, my teacher, or my lecturer mate. And then the fourth, reduce public speaking anxiety. My goal is feel more comfortable and less anxious during presentations. And my plan is practice relaxation techniques, rehearse more frequently, and engage in more public speaking opportunities. Okay guys, that was all my self-evaluation during speaking class in this semester. From the question number 1, the aspect of speaking I feel confident in, there are pronunciation, confidence, and engagement, and fluency. And question number 2, the areas where I have challenges, there are fluency, grammar, engagement, and vocabulary. And number 4, set realistic and achievable goals. Number 1, I hope I can expand advanced vocabulary. Number 2, more fluently. Number 3, improve complex grammar usage. And number 4, reduce public speaking anxiety. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone, and please apologize if there are wrong words. Thank you, and see you when I see you. Thank you.